Green Mountain Falls, Colorado should be on your summer bucket list, and I'll tell you why. Let's go. Green Mountain Falls is a small town about 30 minutes west of Colorado Springs on Highway 24. It's tucked into a picturesque valley and surrounded on 3 sides by Pike National Forest. The town's focal point is a Victorian-style gazebo built in 1890. It's on a small island in the middle of a man-made lake. You can fish in the stocked lake and rent the gazebo for weddings or special events. Back in the early days of the town, there was a 70-room hotel, which opened in 1892 and overlooked the lake. It was similar in design to the gazebo, and the room rate was just $3 a day. The hotel burned down in 1908, but the lake and the gazebo remain today. There's a photo of the former hotel near the lake. Green Mountain Falls is a charming small town with an extensive hiking trail system that is easily accessed from town. Here's a throwback photo from a hike in Green Mountain Falls. It's a hiker's destination with wonderful views and great trails. It's also an art lover's destination. The town has several permanent art installations and Colorado's first and only public Skyspace by artist James Turrell. Turrell began creating Skyspaces in the 1970s, and he has 85 installations worldwide, and just 1 in Colorado, and it happens to be in the tiny town of Green Mountain Falls. It is a short, steep hike to the 18-foot tall structure on clearly marked trails. At the halfway mark, there's a town overlook with restrooms, a drinking fountain, picnic tables, and amazing scenery. After the overlook, it's just a little further to the Skyspace, but it is straight uphill. I've lived in Colorado for almost 15 years and I'm well acclimated to the altitude, but this is still a bit of a climb for me. I'm breathing hard. Make sure that you bring water and take a lot of stops if you're just visiting Colorado. I made it! Look at that. Awesome. I have a little friend who's at the Skyspace with me. Hello, friend. Hello. All right. To Skyspace. The Skyspace is built into the side of a cliff, and it blends into the landscape. It's one of the few Skyspaces with a retractable roof, so it can be used in every season. It offers a serene, quiet space to listen, reflect, and enjoy nature. I'm the only one here. You can hear the wind blowing through the trees. It's beautiful, peaceful, quiet. From the top of Skyspace, you can see the gazebo down in downtown Green Mountain Falls and the lake. The Skyspace is open to the public Thursday through Sunday with sunrise and sunset shows. Those shows require advance tickets and they're $10 each. But you can also come up and visit the Skyspace outside the formal showtimes on days that it's open, and you don't need a ticket. You can just hike up the trail and enter the structure. There's free parking in designated lots or in spaces around town. After enjoying the Skyspace, head down into town and have a meal at the pantry. The restaurant has been serving breakfast and lunch to locals and visitors for over 70 years, and it's just off the lake. There's a seasonal backyard garden with creekside dining, and on the summer weekends, there's a popular breakfast buffet. If you're visiting Green Mountain Falls later in the day, stop at the Blue Moose Tavern for a beverage and a pizza. It hits the spot after a day of hiking. Green Mountain Falls is a small town with lots of charm and unexpected gems. Add it to your summer bucket list. You won't be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe if you would like to follow along on our Colorado journeys. We'll see you next time. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. Well, whoop. Fish jumped. All right, you're gonna walk with me? Are you gonna walk with me, or can I get around you? I need to step around you. Don't mind me.